Hello everyone, it is me, your old pal Little Devil Bendy. And today we're gonna be doing something special for y'all. That is right. Today I, your host Bendy, will showcase some of my tests on how well, it's not a tutorial, I'm just joking. Today we're gonna be doing a test video on how we can add us, our real life selves, with cartoon sound effects. That is fine, and I think someone else have made it, but I haven't seen it. But anyways, here are my tests. I hope you like it, cause it's gonna be fun. Anyways, roll clips. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh boy, I'm going to be jumping off a TV screen. Cause I love jumping off stuff. And alright, here we go. And oops, I should have made it this far. Why me? Nothing to do than just sitting here doing nothing. Ain't that right, dog? Oh yeah, it is, cat. It's a relaxing day. Beep, beep. Did I just hear a garbage truck? Oh no, not this again. I'm coming for your garbage truck! No, dog, we're not doing this. Today, we're in the forest with Tungster here, and this Tungster is going to look for someone to lick, because he is a lickster. Nothing to do. I mean, I am doing something here, but huh? No, Tungster, no, I don't want to be licked, no, Tungster, no, stop it, alright, huh? Is that a flaming candy? Oh, I'd go to add one of that in my tummy. No, it's not flame, it's not a flame candy, no. Oops, excuse me. Oh, that was sure is good. Time to go. Oh, didn't you enjoy this? I do. I mean, I have no words to speak right now. Sorry, I was totally excited. Anyways, let me know in the comments section below on should I keep on adding cartoon sound effects in one of my real life reality videos? Let me know and I will make them. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Bandy! Huh? Are you doing this reality TV thing again? Oh no, that's Boris. Gotta go. See ya.